Section 40 res judicata, Section 41 judgment in rem. Section 42 what? Section 42 is about judgment of public nature. Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Evidence Act, we were discussing chapter 2, which is all about relevancy of facts, covering between section 5 to 55. In this series, we are going to study section 42 in just one slide, which is all about relevancy and effect of judgments, orders or decrees other than those mentioned in section 41. Now we are going to continue after section 41, and this is just one slide presentation where I am going to discuss the Bare Act provision on section 42, then a beautiful brief chart and an illustration. Everything in one slide. Why to waste time? Let's get into the only slide. Section 42 discusses about relevancy and effect of judgments, orders or decrees other than those mentioned in section 41. If you remember, there also we have discussed about judgments, orders, decrees, and the concept there we have discussed is judgment in rem. We discussed the provision related to probate, matrimonial, all of those stuffs under section 41, and here we are discussing about those judgments, orders or decrees which are kind of judgment which are having public nature. Now the Bare Act provision says judgments, orders or decrees other than those mentioned in section 41. Now whatever is covered under section 41 is relevant there. Whichever is not covered there are relevant under section 42 if they are related to matters of a public nature. That is very important. If they are related to the matters of public nature relevant to the enquiry, but such judgments, orders or decrees are not conclusive proof of that which they state. Now here comes the twist. Now let us try understand this with the help of the chart and then with the help of the illustration. By the time I complete illustration, you will understand the entire concept. The chart here is very easy, which discusses about a judgment or an order or a decree other than those mentioned under section 41. Now these are the judgment or the order or the decree which are not came as mentioned under 41. These are other than those which are mentioned under 41 are relevant under section 42. Now if they are not covered under section 41, then they are relevant in section 42 if they are matters of public nature. Now that is the important twist we need to remember. These judgment or an order or the decree which is given by the court which is not covered under section 41, and they are relevant if they are having public nature. Now these judgments are relevant to the extent of enquiry but not a conclusive proof. Now to understand this part, I am taking the help of this particular illustration. The case given in the illustration is very interesting. Here there is a disputed land, and as far as A is concerned, he says that land belongs to him, and once B used to walk on that land and A has sued B saying that B has done trespass. But when the court asked B, why have you used that land? B says, this is a public road. Being a public, it is my right to use public road. That is why I used it. He argues and he wins the case. Now A has lost the case against B because the court has accepted that B has the public right to use that particular road. There is one more case, and that case is between A and C, and the issue is again same, that C was using that particular land to walk and A says, no, this is my private land, you cannot trespass. Now if that particular case goes to the court, in that case whatever judgment is already been given in the case of A and B is relevant to the extent of enquiry for that particular case, but it cannot conclusive proof to say that as B has already got the right, C also has the same right. It cannot be judged that way. That is why it is given in the end part saying that it is not a conclusive proof. I hope that is very clear. The first part, when A and B had a case, when B wins the public right of using that particular land as a road, C can definitely refer that to the extent of enquiry, but that alone will not help C to prove that it is a public road and he has the public right. That is what we need to understand from section 42.
With that, I'm concluding this session. Now it's time for me to go and catch this chicken.
Nishan, what's happening there?
Nothing, Papa. I'm coming to do my homework.